Today we're going to show you how I clean these dirty Jaguar wheels. So let's get the wheel bucket out, add some brushes to that, then get the wheel cleaner in an IK sprayer. This wheel cleaner that I'm using today is Auto Smart Wheels. I diluted it 200ml products to 800ml DI water, spray up all the tyres, then move on to the wheels themselves or on the faces around the spokes. I also apply some wheel cleaner to the brake calipers, then round all the wheel nuts, as you can see right there, making sure I get all the product in. I start off by scrubbing the tyres. First what I'm using here is a tyre scrubber. This one is hard bristle, so it gets deep down into the pores of the tyres, cleaning them up really well. The reason I scrub the tyres is so that the tyre dressing will stick and last. Then I'll get my EZ detail wheel brush, work deep into the barrels, cleaning up those. This wheel brush is really good for getting in all the nooks and crannies. Then I'll move on to brushing the calipers with a soft hog hair brush, as you can see here. Then I'll grab out my smaller EZ detail wheel brush, get right deep into the calipers, giving them a good clean up. Next on we'll move on to cleaning the wheel nuts. This brush that I'm using here is Atlas the stiff brush. Great for getting around those nuts, giving them a good scrub up. Going down into the crevices, getting rid of any brake dust up there. Then next moving over to a hog hair brush, going into those little triangles in the crevices of the wheels, making sure they're nice and spotless too. Final stage before rinsing is getting a wheel mitt, getting right behind those spokes, making sure that they're nice and clean. After this I'd then rinse off, but the camera didn't record.